Welcome to the second episode of Midnight Cooking Diaries with Edoardo Baldi, that's me. And we're at I Baldi Ristorante in my kitchen. We just put some penne pasta in the water. It's gonna take about 10 minutes to cook. Make sure that it's salty water. And let me tell you about the recipe we're gonna do today. And it has a story behind it. When I came here 30 years ago, when my parents brought me here in America from Italy, a lot of restaurants had farfalle with salmon, and it was like a pasta with a ton of cream and some salmon chopped up and cooked in it. But it was one of the favorite dishes, and everyone really enjoyed it, and like that's all that people asked for when they went to restaurants. But we've come a long way now, and we've understand that you can eat healthier, more simple way, and you can do kind of the same idea, but just present it a little bit better. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do penne pasta with fresh king salmon and endive with a little bit of onion. It's so simple to make that anyone can make it at home in 5 minutes. And this is what this show is all about. It's about quick cooking, simple recipes that you can do at home all day long, at midnight, or even during the day, whenever you're hungry. So I hope you stay along, enjoy this recipe. I know you're gonna love it. Grazie, thank you. So our pasta is not ready yet, but we're gonna take it out and we're gonna do a process called like pre-cooking pasta, okay? So it's been cooking for about 5 minutes now. We're gonna put it in a little bowl and add a little bit of olive oil so it doesn't stick together. And we're gonna mix it. And we're gonna put it on the side. The next step is we're gonna prepare the sauce, which is so simple as you can see. A little bit of olive oil in our pan. We're gonna do a little bit of butter, just a little bit of unsalted butter. The next step is to cut our onion. So now we're gonna cut the yellow onion, very thin slices. This. And not that much because you don't want it to be too strong of a flavor. And we're gonna turn on our induction so it can saute a little bit and cook the onion slightly so it becomes translucent. Now we're gonna cut our endive. So now we have our onion that's cooked and sizzling a little bit, as you can see. And we're gonna add our endive. Oh, can you hear it? It smells good too. And we're gonna break this down, the endive, and it's gonna happen very quickly, this. And in the meantime, we're gonna cut our salmon. And here we go. We're gonna cut it into little cubes. Just like this. Gonna cut this into 3. And I wanna cut it like this because it'll cook much faster. Now we're gonna take our chopped salmon and put it with the endive. And see how it's sticking a little bit? That's just 100% flavor. 100% flavor. We're gonna throw in a little bit salt and pepper. We're gonna lower the heat a little bit because I can see it's sticking a little bit too much. But this salmon is gonna cook really fast. And then we're gonna wet it with a little bit of white wine. And all this is goodness, okay? It just makes it a little bit more flavorful. We're gonna add our pasta that we pre-cooked. And now we're gonna plate it. And this pasta is a little messy, as you can see. It's not perfect, but it's so delicious. So delicious. The salmon is quite sweet and the endive is bitter, but together they make a perfect combination. And then we're gonna throw in a little bit of micro parsley for decoration. Look how simple this is. And does it have to be perfectly, beautifully done? No. It's about the flavor. It's about how quick we did it. It took 2 minutes to make that sauce. And I get the chills because it's so delicious. I can't wait to eat it. And but they told me not to eat on camera, so that's I'm not gonna do it this time. And well, I just want to put my face in this pasta. But I hope you enjoyed it. It's so simple to make, as you can see. Beautiful, delicious, and most importantly, healthy and quick. Buon appetito. We see you next time for episode 3 of Midnight Cooking Diaries. Thank you very much.